Genesis Connected Services features Valet Alert, a useful function which can send notifications and activity reports when your vehicle crosses a set boundary while in valet mode. The notification will be displayed inside the vehicle, as well as a choice of mobile app notification, text message, or an email. In order to activate this feature from the Genesis Intelligent Assistant app, log in and press Utilities on the menu. Select Vehicle Safeguard Alerts and turn on the Valet Alert feature. Set the distance that the car can be driven in valet mode before sending an alert. Note that the distance is calculated from the location where valet mode was activated. Valet mode can also be activated from the in-car infotainment screen in your Genesis. After returning to your car and disabling valet mode, you'll be given a report with the time driven, distance traveled, and top speed while your car was away. In order to activate this feature from a home computer, log on to owners.genesis.com and select View Connected Services. Click on the Safeguard Alerts tab and then Manage Alert under the Valet Alert section. Click to turn on Valet Alert and then click on Edit Alert to set the boundary distance. Click Save and then wait for up to 50 seconds for the alert to be set up. To change the notification method, click on Manage Settings under Remote Actions and then My Account and My Preferences. Click the arrow on the Connected Services notification settings to expand the options. Next, click the Edit button located next to the Remote Action section to edit how you want to receive the notifications. For more information on Genesis Connected Services, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.